see me now 항상 봤던 저 코드 yeah am I synced out can't see where my reflection at.
What's up guys, it's Eddie with another Secret Number reaction, and today we're going to be checking out Secret Number Singing Live, Got That Boom, and Privacy. This was that EddyReacts radio show where I know Ashley is the MC. Well, is it called MC or is it host? Radio host. I love Ashley. I watch all her YouTube videos. She's from the group called Ladies Code if you're interested. Alright guys, let's get right into it. Secret Number. First up, Got That Boom. Turn it up, turn it up. Live vocals. Turn the music up.
Turn the music up. 너를 감동시킬 나의 move like that. 너만 나는 secret까지 bounce like that. 리듬은 뜨겁게, 또 스텝은 가볍게. 새까만 이 밤 가득히 터뜨려 보일게. 모든 게 꿈일지 몰라 far away. 날 비춘 music. 어둠에
Main vocal right there. It's a soft voice. Love it. Speaking of soft voice, Sudan, the bias. Get a secret number. I know you got that boom. Good job, Leah. Leah. Ooh, 5 vocals.
Gimme that dough. Oh, tic tac toe. Gimme that flow. Oh, gimme that dough. Oh, tic tac toe. 불을 붙인 밤을 내게 throw. I know you got that boom.
Ooh. That beat is hitting.
I know you got that 멈추지 마. 오늘이 마지막처럼 turn it up. We gon' burn it up. 나를 새 때까지 너를 내게 맡겨. 우리가
Leia and Denise in the back are funny. Ooh, that was clean, that was clean. Denise is killing it.
Gimme that dough. Oh, tic tac toe. Gimme that flow. Oh, 이미 너. Gimme that dough. Oh, tic tac toe. 끌린 듯이 다가가는 zoom. I know you got that boom.
Good job, Secret Number. Let's move on to Privacy. One of the best B-sides ever. Privacy, title track worthy. Dita. Sing for me, Dita. Sudan. Dita forgot. Dita forgot her part.
하루 종일 아침부터 밤새 everyday. Oh no, oh no, my privacy.
Ooh.
열어놓게는 놀이터로 와. 알려줄게 내 비밀 전부 다. Boy, nobody knows this. 준비된
I got Sudam lip
questions.
singing.
스무고개 놀이에 바로 ready action.
Ooh, wait, Sudam. Sudam killed that.
열어놓게는
He knows the whole
놀이터로
verse.
와. 알려줄게 내 비밀 전부 다. Boy, nobody knows this. 준비의 questions.
Dita too,
스무고개
Dita
놀이에
too.
바로 ready action. 내 차없이도 you can drive me crazy. Come on, Rari, pull up and 여기 여기 go with the flow.
They're all killing it. Let's go, Jenny.
I want you to be with me. 자꾸
Rapper
네가
queen.
생각나. Alright. 멈출 수 없는 걸. Stay. Oh. 자꾸 네가 생각나.
Dita.
Alright.
I got goosebumps.
멈출 수 없는 걸. Stay. Oh. 나와 놀래.
Such a soft voice, sweet like honey. Sorry.
Boy, 네가 원했던 비밀을 보여줄 거야. 널 향한 네 맘은 privacy. I want you to be with me. 자꾸 네가 생각나. 숨길 수 없는 걸. 하루 종일 아침부터 밤새 everyday. Oh no,
Ooh,
oh
Sudam.
no, my privacy.
Love this beat. Secret Number. I don't know what else to say about them. They eat CDs. With Denise, main vocal queen that she is, Dita and Sudam's sweet voice like honey, and Leia's adorable voice, and Jenny's cool rap. It's just their live singing, their live vocals are always gonna be amazing. It's not fair, man. It's not fair how good they are at such an early stage in their career. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. I love them. You guys know this. Look, they're back there for a reason. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And also thank you guys for your support. It means a lot to me, more than you guys could ever know. So thank you again. Before we leave, if you could take a second to subscribe and like this video, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. And I will see you in the next one. Peace. Come on, Jenny. Come on. What is this? Minchu's at it again.
할때 이거를 봐야지. 이거 고개할 필요 없어요. 차고 나서 바로 또.
What did she turn my head like that? That was so funny. That was perfect.
가족이 같겠지.
The collective. Damn.
얘는 미쳤다. 아마다 잠깐일지도 몰라. 우리 뭘 찾아서 헤매는 걸까? 여보세요?
Oh my god, it's his mom. I just got chills. Fuck. No.
엄마 집이지.
와, 이거 씨 어떻게 하는 거야?
She said it was drooled.
人間ごと呪物を取り込む気が間に合わねえ虎杖